Emmerson Mnangagwa has officially been sworn in as President of Zimbabwe. In a historic ceremony on Friday, Mnangagwa took oath of office amid loud cheers in a packed stadium in the capital Harare, taking over from long-time ruler Robert Mugabe.
I, Emmerson Mnangagwa, swear that as President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, I will be faithful to Zimbabwe and obey, uphold, and defend the Constitution and all other laws of Zimbabwe, and that I will promote whatever will advance and oppose whatever may harm Zimbabwe. That I will protect and promote the rights of the people of Zimbabwe. So help me God.
Mnangagwa is expected to serve as interim president until a leader is elected in elections scheduled for 2018. The 75-year-old politician, who served as Mugabe's right-hand man for decades, had fled the country after Mugabe fired him earlier this month, a dismissal that triggered a military takeover and the subsequent resignation of President Robert Mugabe.